Unraveling the Mystery of Sleep In, a guide for English learners. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, sleep in. This phrase is common in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly helpful. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Sleep in is a phrasal verb that can be a little tricky for English learners. It doesn't mean to sleep inside something, as you might first guess. Instead, it refers to sleeping longer than usual, especially beyond the time you normally wake up in the morning. This might be during weekends, holidays, or any day when you don't have early commitments. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. I'm going to sleep in tomorrow since I don't have to go to work. 2. Did you sleep in today? You look well rested. In these sentences, sleep in is used to describe the action of staying in bed later than usual. It's important to distinguish sleep in from similar phrases like sleep over or sleep through. Sleep over means to stay overnight at someone else's house. Sleep through refers to sleeping without being disturbed or awoken by something, like sleep through a storm. Understanding these differences helps in using each phrase correctly. In many cultures, sleeping in is associated with leisure or relaxation. It's often seen as a luxury or a treat, especially in busy, work-oriented societies. However, in some contexts, it might be viewed negatively, like being lazy or unproductive. As with many phrases, context is key. And that's a wrap on sleep in. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.